This Mazda 3 came in as a no start. We were able to start it with a jump. So first thing we wanted to check was the battery. And right now, just reading the battery, it's at 3.5 volts. And this is a 12-volt battery, so that's extremely low. Usually if a battery's that low, it means there's a shorted cell inside of it. So we're gonna go ahead and get it replaced. First thing you wanna do is look at your terminals, find the negative. So this side's positive, this side's negative. First thing I usually take off is the negative. So take a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Just loosen this. You don't have to take this nut out all the way. It just has to be loose. And same thing goes for the other side. I'm gonna do that second. And just move this out the way. Now we're gonna take these two nuts out. Now you have the bracket off. We're gonna pull on this handle to get it out. So this is the new battery. It's time to put it back in. Make sure your positive is where it's supposed to be. If you don't remember, just look at the cables here. This is the red. It's usually positive, so this is gonna be where that red side hooks up. Next, put your bracket back. Put the nuts on. Tighten those nuts down until they're snug. It doesn't have to be super tight. Take these little covers off. Sometimes they can be a little stubborn. Sometimes you can just get a screwdriver down here if it's stuck though. All right, now to put the terminals back on, I usually start with the positive. Make sure it sits down all the way. There you go. You can see it's nice and flush with the terminal. So now we can tighten this down. It just has to be snug. Don't over tighten these too. Just get it to a point where if you move it around, the terminal's not moving. Cover it up. And now we'll move on to the negative terminal. Sometimes this will spark a little bit, but it's okay. It's not gonna hurt you. This one's nice and flush as well, so it's time to tighten it. Oh, that's loosening. And there you go, your battery's replaced. Now we're back in the car and the car's able to start without a jump. It does have a couple other lights though. Washer fluid, brakes, doors.